So in this video, let's set up our admin panel and front end blade templating. So first of all, this is a first section you will get after installation of Laravel. Then close this, go to your routes, then web.php, then just copy this and paste it, and let's call it like admin. And this I give it a name, admin dot layouts dot blade app, right? So this is basically, if you are not familiar with a Laravel view, then this means admin folder layouts and app. Then so let's create it. Go to our resources, then create inside views, create folder called admin. Then inside admin we have layouts, layouts. Then inside layouts, let's create file name app.blade. Sorry, then app.blade.php. .php. So in here, let's check if it's working or not. It's working. Let's call hello world. Now go to your web. This is a route. See, it's working. So now what you have to do is copy the file, downloaded file. So for that, go to your project file, then inside public folder, paste your admin entry file and your front end template. So this is admin template. Let's download it. And let's rename this to just like backend, and this, sorry, this unzip this as well, and let's call it front end. Now go inside a backend, folder, then open index.php. So this is the template we're going to use, and it's working fine. So now go to your VS Code, then inside public, then backend, open index.html, copy all the content of it, and go to your file, that is views, resources, views, admin layouts, then app.php, and replace this hello world and copy all your file from index.php. Now go to your browser and refresh this. There will be a issue because CSS file and JS file are not linking. So to link those files, what you have to do is go to this file, main file, then scroll all the way to top. Then this region will be work as well as this, but for this file you need to asset, then our project file structure is admin backend slash plugin slash front awesome. Let's check this in here. Backend, then backend plugins, and then front awesome. All right, so file will be there. So let's do this all for all your files, but to make it easy, just what I love to do is I usually do this to save time. So admin slash, then just copy it and paste it here. Remember, you don't have to use this asset for these full links or side links. just for folder file structure filing. So just copy here, copy here, copy here, and now I'm done with copying. Let me copy this, cut it, and then paste it, cut it, then paste it, cut it, then paste it, cut it, again, do once again, then one more time, then one more time. So this should fix our CSS issue. So it's not working, so let me check for resources, then go through. This file is not found. Plugins, admin plugins, CSS, let me check it. Admin plugins, sorry, there it was admin, it was like backend. Check public, inside public folder we have created backend folder, so file name was not right, folder name was not right. Now let me check here, change here. Now go to your browser, now refresh it, you might see changes already. It's not working. What happened? Let me go through all the file. Backend plugin CSS. Then where is logo? Let me search for logo. Right. So this should be a file. Then cut it and paste it. Now let's go and refresh this. It's on hold, I don't know, maybe due to the JS file. So let's go and change all the JS file as well. So go to your footer, that is at the bottom of the page, and now this copy, copy this for saving time. Now just cut it and paste it. 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 Things you need to remember, that is you have to do this point URL to your local file location, to all your CSS and JavaScript links, and as well as all the image link. So we have just done for CSS, and now we're doing for JS, but we also need to do for all the images link. So one step at a time. So what I found, doing lazy in programming, developing a Laravel application, is that this fixing these CSS links, because some designer just create, like, there will be so much issue on JavaScript file on their placement issue. So let me check it. It's still not working. Let me check what happened. This one is working. This one is working as well. This one. So everything is working. Then why it's not showing any sign? hell is going on here? Alright, so we need to change this jQuery and this jQuery as well. This got and pasted, got and pasted. Sometimes what happens is that there should be a JavaScript pop-up, and if you don't have CSS, it's working, but alright, it's working. So what was the issue was that because of the JavaScript, the page was not loading, but it was stuck on a pop. So to remove that, let me check for pop-up. No, let's fix all the image issue here. So again, copy this, or you can type it. I'm too lazy to type, so go at top of your website, then check for image filing. For example, there should be an image in here, image link. You have to change every single image link, update image link. So do this. Now check if any image is there. Image. Alright, here it is. Reason I'm copying paste this this code is I'm just too lazy to type this again and again, so I just copy paste it. Now, so in application development, the most lazy thing I found is this one for me. Every developer has thing, but for me, fixing these links and going through all the image file is the most annoying thing for me. So let's check this as well. Now let's go through. Where is another image link? We don't have to. This is hyperlink. You don't have to change this one. This only CSS, JavaScript, and image links. Image, where the hell is it? Image. So I'm searching for it. Is there any image link? You can just Control F and search, but this is what I do because you might miss some. So better to go through all the line, because because while you in development or coding stage, you don't want to go back to your CSS file again. So this is the most important thing to do in any application development, because there will be an issue in JavaScript or CSS file, and when you complete your project and then you found there was an issue. So to prevent that, just do this. Fix your CSS and JavaScript wisely. Is there any more thing? Anything? There is a miss. Right, there is as well. Okay, let me paste this. Sorry. This one. And paste it here. Then again, you can type it, or you can just, if you are too lazy like me, just paste it. Then so there it is. Pasted, and there it is. I'm not gonna make another video for setting up the front end because process will be the same. So I'm just this video will be lengthy one because I'm gonna show you how to do each step. So just cut and paste it. Okay, then is there any image link, image, there is, I guess there is, that's all. Okay, so I have completed fixing all the CSS, updating our CSS and JavaScript and image link. Now go to your browser and just paste just reload it. I'm gonna remove this page loader. Now we have much image here, but there is an admin logo missing here. So go to here, starting of your file, then search src. Backend this image, why is missing? It's working, but I think there is another link as well. Alright, here is a missing one. Let's copy it and paste it. Then fix it. Now search for src again. This is the most crucial part in any Laravel application development, because you don't want to say at the middle of a project that the admin panel have an issue. So just go through this. This process is boring, but let's go through all the steps, because this is the most important step in application or website development or Laravel. Alright, so this is showing, this logo also showing, it's alright. So everything is working alright. So what we can do is we can just remove this and this. We don't need it. So search for widgets here. I'm going to make another video for this one, for blade templating. So this is for just updating CSS. So thank you so much for watching.